Mamasyal muna tayo sa may SBMA. Sexy Legs Chicken Home Style Barbecue, Subic Bay. Fusion Corner, Modern Fusion Cuisine. Moon Bay Marina. Lighthouse Hotel, 3-star hotel. Moon Bay Marina Leisure Resort, Cascade Bar. Subic Park Hotel, The Shoreline Hotel, Diamond Hotel. El Pilos, El Pelos, The Atrium, first to stop, first to go. Bayside, Scene Coffee, Mango Valley, Dewey Avenue, Poco Poco, Carmen's Best Ice Cream, Lavazza, Extremely Espresso. Dewey Avenue, Bonifacio Street, Sampson Road. The Meeting Room, Tattoo, Mungkok Dimson, Hogarth, Slabs, Sigara Residences, Sigara Hotel, Sigara Villas, Sigara Suites, Sigara Spices, Eagle Asia, Harbor Star, The Reef Hotel and Residences. Bayside, Seafront, So, nasa Subic Bay tayo ngayon. Guys. Subic Bay Preferred Zone, Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. 5 years ago, today, this 4th day of November 1997, the U.S. Navy, in solemn ceremonies, relinquished administration control and possession of the former Subic Naval Base after 94 years to the sovereign Philippine government. Presiding over the ceremony was His Excellency President Fidel V. Ramos, present in the historic turnover where for the Philippine government, Honorable Roberto R. Romulo, Secretary of Foreign Affairs, Honorable Richard J. Gordon, Mayor City of Olongapo, Chairman Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. For the United States Government, Admiral James Kelly, Commander-in-Chief, Rear Admiral Thomas Mercer, Commander U.S. Naval Base, Subic Bay, Philippines. Honorable Richard Solomon, U.S. Ambassador to the Philippines. This flagpole originally stood at a height of 94 feet, signifying the end of 94 years foreign forces occupied this vast complex. Ay, sige po. Maghanap daw ako ng parking. Sabi ni SBMA Police. So, ayan ha, pinipresent natin sa inyo. 94 years pala tayong inoccupied ng US. 94 years. Grande Island Resort. The Telempire. The Telempire. Court Meridian Hotel and Suites. Sir Kylie Simons of Nova Scotia, Canada. I'm here at Subic Bay. Breakfast. Netflix. Say hello to summer in Subic Bay. Fantastic Subic Bay. Pesta sa baryo. Herb image. Grand. Super Subic Grand Harbor Hotel. Shareable. Terrace Hotel. Bayfront Hotel. Subic Bay. Bay Point. If you want to go to Philippines, Sir Kylie Simons, just visit what do you call this? Visit the Lab D Hotel. Lab D, L-U-B, and D as in dog. Lab, L-U-B, L-U-B as in boy, Lab D as in D. Lab D Hotel. Alright, Makati City. And you have to visit that hotel or their website or their address so that you can go here in the Philippines. Not much expensive. It's because a lot of students they spent their summer here in the Philippines. They are what do you call this? Spent their vacation in Labdi Hotel in the Philippines here in Makati City. So we have a lot of client in Labdi Hotel. Most of them are like in United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, um, what they call this, South Africa, different country. Most of them we got from Labdi Hotel. So try to what do you call this, most of the foreigner going to Philippines, they book their vacation or their excursion at Labdi Hotel. All right, Labdi Hotel, Labdi Hotel, Labdi Hostel, L-U-B space D, Labdi Hotel. All right. So thank you for watching, Sir Kylie Simons. And anyway, be safe while you're in the middle of the ocean harvesting the what do you call this, lobster, and then sometimes you eat there. I always watching while you're feeding lots of bird like gulls, no? And I also watching while we're traveling different places there in Nova Scotia, Canada, and while you're having what I call this, having a food, eating there at a different restaurant in Canada. All right, so have a great day always. And ito naman mga guys, so, ingat tayo lagi sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Yung ano pala, yung sa may, ano ba to? Mga US Marines, no? Sa may mga kakilala dyan na US Marines. Alright, US Marines. Hindi pala sila nakakalabas ng ano, ng SBMA, Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. Kahit sa Olonga po, hindi makakalabas ang mga US Marines. Alright, so depende na lang ha. So yun yung naging alam ko, ang pagkakalam ko, ang mga US Marines hindi makakalabas. They cannot go out outside the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority dahil dun nga that was happened like Jennifer Laude, the transgender victims of the United States of Marines, United States, what do you call this? I don't know if they are Marines or Navy, all right? So that's why they have palikatan here in the Philippines and they cannot go out outside the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. Okay, it's because the country and the U.S. protecting, no, about what happened if they going around. But then, syempre alam niyo naman yung mga connection ng mga banyaga sa ating bansang Pilipinas, kahit na ipinagbabawal basta sa tawag ng pera, no, ang mga Pilipino gagawa ng paraan, no. Ako pro Filipino ako kasi I am a Filipino, pero most of the Filipino nasisilaw sa pera, no. For example, ang mga Marines, ang mga Navy, US Navy, US Marines, hindi pinapalabas sa SBMA. Pero meron pa rin yan na pupunta sa Olongapo. And different places. For example, ibubuk ka lang sa mga iba't ibang mga hotel. Ita-travel ka sa iba't ibang lugar. May mga yate, no? Okay? May yate dyan, may mga kotse. So, pwede ka makakalabas. Kaya hindi po pwedeng gagawa ng paraan for the sake of money. Ganun tayo mga Pilipino. Kaya nating ipagkanulo ang ating bansa, no? Ang ating mga kababayan dahil lang sa pera. Tama ba ako? Tama naman talaga eh. Di ba? Pinagkakanulo. Maraming Pilipino ang pinagkakanulo ang ating mga kababayan dahil lang sa pera. Di ba? O yan, tulad yan. Yung US Marines, US Navy, na nandito ngayon sa Balikatan, dito sa may Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, na hindi makakalabas ng SBMA dahil dun sa nangyari kay Jennifer Laude. Meron pa rin dyan nakakalusot, pinapalabas. Connections, pera. Diba? Ginagawa ng paraan niya. So, we have to be careful. US Marines, US Navy, you have to be careful. Kasi ginagawan kayo ng paraan para, syempre, ma-enjoy nyo ang Philippines while you are staying here. Don't do bad about the country. Okay? If you will do another scandals, and then it will affect the relationship of the Philippines between US. All right? That's what happened to Jennifer Laude. All the foreigners are welcome here in the Philippines. We serve you better. We do better friendly with you. All the foreigners, not just only US. We do. Even the Chinese have a bully country. We always welcome all the foreigners. Well, lots of Chinese here in the Philippines. Even the country China is a bully to the Philippines. We still welcome all the Chinese. Boracay Island, there's a lot of Chinese. Their family, they bring their family going to Boracay. Korean, they bring their family to Boracay. But ever since, lots of American people is the first, and they visit always Boracay, because Boracay is a very beautiful place. But then right now, not just only American you can see there in Boracay. You can see the Chinese, you can see the Korean. right? Japanese, because Filipinos are very hospitable and will very respect to all the people going here inside the country Philippines. Right? Do not do anything bad. All right? So that nobody will what do you call this it so that it will no what do you call nobody will happen in our relation between different countries. All right? So that was my concern. It's because if you are going out of your vicinity, and then you have what do you call this, balikatan here in the country Philippines, and protecting the sovereignty, then we are we what do you call this, we understand about it. We're just concerned if there's anything happened again, again and again, like Jennifer Laude as a victim, and then another, the soldier, the Filipino soldier, will condemn again and again. It's because they have a bonding. U.S. Marines, U.S. Navy, Philippine Navy, Philippine Marines. Diba? Madadamay din ang sandatahang lakas ng bansang Pilipinas. Kung meron kayong gagawing, kung meron kayong, kung sakali may mangyaring, ano na naman ang mangyayari? Comparing Jennifer Laude, how many years ago. Alright? So we have to be careful about it. Kasi merong nasisisi eh. Diba? Alright, so thank you for watching and have a good day. I hope that everything fine, and I hope you're doing good while watching on my videos right now. So until next time.